What's up guys, friends? Daisy here and welcome back to my channel. So today guys, as you can see in the title below, I'm gonna be doing a PR package haul. Yes, because as you can see in my left na ko or right ninyo bala. Bisag unsa na lang siya. I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have here 7 packages. So just to put it out there that these are all sent to me by my sponsors and some of them are from my subscribers. So thank you so much guys. And I'm no way trying to brag, okay? So yes. Actually guys, I received some of them 2 weeks ago pa. I just put it outside my room. I put alcohol and disinfect and gipainitan siya na ako kay para ma-disinfect sa siya kay para mawasa siya ang virus. So I hope now wala na yung mga virus na. Anyways guys, so without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so I think I'm ready. I have here my little C-store? C-store, kaya gamay man siya. So, ano man ako unahon? Kanina lang ang una. So, this is from Miss Angela. So, from Pangasinan. Thank you so much, Miss. So, let's open this. Okay, so naka-on pa siya sa bubble wrap. And, wow, na siya ipa-card. Ang sayang card. Let's open this ko na be. Na siya ipa-note. And magustuhan mo ang damit and all the item is made in Australia. To Daisy. And napagod siya isa. Thank you so much, Miss Angela. First, kay this one. Yung gisend ako kay OOTD. Oh, nice dress. I like it, Angela. Thank you so much. I'm so excited to try this on. I will show it to you kung kasha ba siya or hindi. Charot, Tagalog. Kay Tagalog, good siya si Miss Angela. And second is this one. Crop top. Sexy naman dito, Jai. Wow! So this is crop top. This is still... Yeah, this is made from Australia, good. So, sexy kay siya. Nana ko yung mga pang OOTD, mga pang-kuhan sa kong collection. And this one too. Wow! Thank you. So, this is from lobalotclothing.com.au. Cute kayo siya kay all at ano ba siya. Na siya higot-higot sa likod. So, I will try this one later, guys, after nako mahuman og open tanan. It's so nice. Actually, guys, Miss Angela has a shop on Instagram, so you should check that out. I will put the name here. It's Bldg. You should check that shop, guys. Kay ilan ang ipang-post dito ilahang mga OOTDs. So, I will also put the link in the description box so that you will just click the link so that maka-add mo sa kana na shop. So, yes, thank you so much for this, Angela. Miss Angela. Next one is from Bldg. From Lee's shop. So, this is from Lee's shop. So, let's open it. So, first, guys, they sent me, what's this? Vitamin perfume? It's a lip and cheek gel tint. Oh, thank you so much. And also, they sent me mask. This is just in time for the kuan good. Atong situation karon. So, maka-help good ni siya. And also, unsa pa ni siya? Wow! This is nice. Let's try this kuno be. Okay, gamit kayo ni siya kay mag-Taiwan. I will be going to Taiwan soon after this pandemic. Hopefully by February. My flight is on February and I hope madayon siya. Wow, it's so nice. Oh, it's a coat. I love it. Wow, thank you so much. Di na sa nila ako tanggalon bi kay mo na lang ni siya. Anak na lang ko, no? Well, mag-unbox, no? Ay, wait lang. Ako lang sa tanggal. Thank you so much, this travel shop. So, this is the third item that they sent me. Fourth is still a coat. Wow! So, binbi. Try sa nato. Mga nice. Oy, thank you so much, guys. Next. Oh, it's swimsuit. Thank you so much. Ano kay additional sa akong mga swimmies. Oh, diba? Ah, so cute! Look, guys! Ah, ako siya i-try. I-try na siya na ako ang mga kuan after. And, tapos, scar! Oh, diba? Nandap kayo siya. Pang Taiwan ang din siya. And the coat and this one. Hello, Taiwan! Wow. This shop has also Instagram, so you should check them out, guys. I will also put the name here and also the link in the description box. Most of them kay mga OOTDs lang mga ipang-send sa ako. So, next is this one. So, this is from Rian. Okay. More bralettes. Thank you so much for this. Oh, cute kayo. Mama na siyang marakitaan ko ng mga kuan ka ng mga uso, diba? I have 1, 2, 3. Nice. Ganahan ko sa olive. Thank you so much for this. Diba? Nice kayo siya. And wow! Another, guys. It's so sexy. Look. Bantay lang gud ka. Next summer na lang gud ka na or basta after sa pandemic, ako na siyang ipang-suot. Oh, wow. Cute kayo. Ganon ko sa black. Anyways, asa pa, kani. Lahi po siya. Laoy, grabe. Wala pa gud di ay. Thank you, guys. Next, guys, is let's open this. Wow! More OOTDs! Oh, mask gihapon. Nasa'y mask. Duha. Look. Nude. This is so cute. Kuhan pa kayo siya. And this one, peach. Peach ba di siya or pink? Yay! Thank you so much. And also this. Napa siya. Kani. O kani. Let's open this. Murag dako ra siya, no? Dako ra ni siya na ako. Pero anyways, thank you so much. Also this. I think it's a dress. It's a dress, guys. And also, the last one. Uy, makahappy kayo mo ba? It's a romper. Thank you so much. So next, guys, is from IPI. So they sent me 2 tumblers. Thank you so much. And also this efficacent na relaxant oil. Nindot kayo ni siya, guys. Kung ano siya akong permi gamiton ka na mag-travel, bitaw ko. Butaran ako, ana na ako na magbuwa. Ana na ako diri niya simutin-muton. Sulbad ang tuan. Nya kana yun sa man siya. It's a pencil case man siguro. Kani, yes. Dr. Sulfur Wong. Kumot kayo. Thank you so much. And kani alcohol. Padadaan ko nila og alcohol. And I have oh, gamit kayo siya. Manghaplas na lang good tani, no? My tita feels is alive. Efficacent oil extreme. Okay, I have 4. Manghaplas na lang ko kayo para makalupad ko, no? Makalupad ko pa dong sa bantayan. Kaya giningaw na kayo kong bantayan. Kaya sa pa ko ako makaulian, eh. Karon kay ko, nasad kaayo. Nasad sila bagong mga turbalo. So, napa sila isend na ko kani efficacent. Oh, diba? Kana efficacent ointment. Thank you so much, IPI. So, next is this one. This is from Ruby Reed Muda Bella. Nice! Let's open this. So, thrift shop ni sila. Mga pre-love. Nice ni siya. I will try this. Oh, so much. Checkered na yellow and kuan. Ganan kay kong mga inanig bitaw, mga one piece. Maghalasol-hasol lang gud kayo ko kanang basta manghihi ka, ihiun ka na naka sa travel niya. La, humuon gud nimo tanan. Diba? Bahala na ng mga kuano, mga madugay-dugay ta o kanang kaihi, no? Basta aura lang gud ta, maka-aura lang gud ta. So next kay last na ni siya. So this is from Tyra. Sleepwear. So let's open this. Let's try to open this one. This is cute. Pangkuan, pangkatulog. Oh, nanakoy pangkatulog. And this is one. See here. Cute. Terno siya. So, next kay kani. Ay, this is nice. Daisy. Look, guys. It's Daisy. Oh, napa siya ikuan. Kaning-kani. Pero unsa man ni siya. Dako kayo siya. Pero okay naman kay pangkatulog man siya, diba? Small na ni siya. Small. Pero dako kayo siya. Pero okay naman. Pero comfy bitaw. Tuyo sa siguro ni kay. Pero comfy yung pagkatulog. Oh, kana. Sexy kay kung pangkatulog ani. Ang kuha na lang. Paris na lang ang kulang. Wow! Next kay kani. Wow! Oh, social! Social na pagkatulog! Murag utad. Nice! Thank you so much, Tyra! Oh, so cute! This is so cute! Laoy! I'm so blessed! I'll try to put it on to show you kung unsa siya, kung isuot na. So, mag-ilis ako, ayaw lang mong tanaw, okay? So this is from Lee's Travel Shop. So as you can see, look at this. It's so cute, diba? Pang beach or pang kuan, rampa lang. Pang aura sa beach. Wow! Pak! Nice kayo. Kani siya kay pang kuan siya pang winter. Pang Korea or Taiwan. OOTD, laban lang kita, no? Oh my god, nice kaayo siya. Thank you so much, Laboshi. Oh, I feel so sexy. Wow! Oh my gosh, kasi sa... Kabiro lang nakakukuha ako. Diyan kayo. Tadaan!
Ginagawa mo!
Thank you so much. Wow! Ay, charot. Pangtulog siya, guys. It's so comfy. So this is from Tyra shop. So I will also put the link in the description.
Ginagawa mo.
Ayun lang tanaw. And na siya long pants. Kani. So, I think that's all, guys. Na-open na siya, tanan ako mga dapat i-open. Anyway, so mao to siya, and I didn't expect yun ka na moabot ko sa inani bitaw na murag maka-receive ko og mga free stuffs from you guys. I'm so happy kay murag karon bitaw no kay bisag sa 2020 ba kay daghan kay mga challenges, and we're still in the middle of this crazy pandemic. Kay I'm still blessed because daghan kay nag-support na ako, akong family, akong friends, ang mga kanang mga subscribers na ako bisag wala sila nakailan ako kay murag support gid gyapon sila nako, and they show good sila support sa ako bitaw. And for those who want to send me some free stuff like this, just DM me on Instagram or my Facebook page. I will just put the link also in my description box so that you can send me a message there. And by just sharing my videos, guys, to your friends, dako na kayo siya help na ko in supporting me sa akong journey. Happy ako mag 7,000 subscribers. So, please guys, please let your friends and your family, kung basin na pa may mga friends na wala pa nakasubscribe sa ako, ay pa-subscribe na, please. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thanks, parents. Hug. Hug. Charot. So, by the way, guys, Patreon is a platform that lets you support content creators like me financially on a recurring basis. So, you can contribute $5 a month or up to $50 a month, or well, it's totally up to you as long as it comes from your heart. I will also put the link in the description if you want to support me, because I just got my first ever patron on my Patreon page. So, thank you so much, Mr. Michael Shannon. And, mura to siya, guys. Unsa pa man. And, by the way, please support me in my journey sa Vlogstar TV. So actually nada siya kanang voting. Karon ako nakakibaw na nada siya voting na Sherbalu. So I hope na kung mag-voting na kay, please vote for me, guys. Please show your support to me. So that would be all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you're already subscribed, please hit the notification bell below so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also, I have Instagram and Facebook. Please follow me there. My Instagram is at iamdaysee and my Facebook page is daysee. Yes, guys. So just follow me there and maybe we can do a chit chat and everything. So mag-chika-chika ta. Tomorrow to siya, guys, and always remember that every day is a chance to see the beauty of God's creation and seize that day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!